Are you a SaaS company running on NetSuite that's struggling with your reporting? Well, ZoneReporting offers a pre-built reporting solution that hundreds of other companies running on NetSuite are currently using. ZoneReporting was built by NetSuite experts to provide you with the ultimate NetSuite reporting solution, all inside of the #1 ranked BI tool, Microsoft Power BI. Specific to your SaaS business, you will get value from ZoneReporting in at least the following ways. One, you're going to get a reporting platform that reconciles and replicates all your NetSuite data with the ability to build as many additional reports as you want. We also come with over 50 pre-built automated reports, yes, including data points such as your advanced revenue management, your one world, your custom records, your custom fields. Secondly, two, we're going to eliminate your reliance on things like Excel or spreadsheet errors. And three, you'll also be able to integrate all your other data sources, such as Salesforce and whatnot. So ZoneReporting will become your enterprise-wide reporting tool. So, are you ready to automate your SaaS reporting? Visit our website and request a demo to learn more.